A dashboard is a centralized platform that displays key metrics, data visualizations, and actionable insights in one place. Think of it as a command center for your data, where you can see the most important information at a glance without having to search through multiple reports or spreadsheets. Dashboards are used by businesses, healthcare organizations, schools, and many other industries to track performance and make informed decisions quickly. Every dashboard is built from four main components. Metrics are key performance indicators and numerical data that show how well something is performing. Charts are visual representations of data like bar graphs, line graphs, and pie charts that make numbers easier to understand. Tables organize data in rows and columns for detailed information. Widgets are modular user interface elements like calendars, filters, and buttons that help you interact with the dashboard. Dashboards track important metrics to measure business success. Revenue shows the total income and sales data your organization is bringing in. Users represent the number of active users and their engagement with your platform. Performance metrics indicate how fast and efficiently your systems are running. For example, a business dashboard might display total revenue of $2.5 million with a 12% increase from the previous month, and active users of 45,800 with an 8% growth rate. Dashboards use charts and graphs to make data easy to understand at a glance. Bar charts are particularly useful for comparing values across different categories or time periods. Monthly revenue charts show trends over time, making it simple to spot patterns and understand business performance. Performance metrics charts display how different aspects of your business are doing. Visual representations are much more effective than raw numbers because our brains process images faster than text. Modern dashboards offer real-time updates, which means data refreshes automatically and instantly reflects current information. Customization allows you to arrange widgets, choose color themes, and rearrange layouts using drag and drop functionality. Security features protect your sensitive data through encryption, access controls that determine who can view what information, and audit logs that track all activity on the dashboard. These features ensure your dashboard is both useful and secure. Dashboards are used across many industries. Businesses track sales and revenue metrics to monitor financial health. Analytics dashboards monitor user behavior and trends to improve products. Healthcare dashboards display patient and health data for better patient care. Educational dashboards track student progress reports. Manufacturing dashboards monitor production output and efficiency. E-commerce dashboards track orders and inventory levels. Finance dashboards analyze investment data. Startups use dashboards to monitor growth metrics and stay focused on key indicators. There are three main types of dashboards. Operational dashboards show real-time data and detailed metrics for day-to-day activities and decisions. Strategic dashboards display historical trends and forecasting data for long-term planning and are used by senior management. Analytical dashboards combine both real-time data and historical analysis for deep data exploration. Operational dashboards serve 5 to 50 users. Strategic dashboards serve 1 to 5 executives, and analytical dashboards serve 10 to 100 data analysts. Building a dashboard follows a structured process. First, define your purpose by identifying goals and stakeholders who will use it. Second, gather requirements by understanding user needs and which metrics matter most. Third, create prototypes and mock-ups to plan the layout. Fourth, integrate your data sources and set up data pipelines. Fifth, develop and configure the actual dashboard with all components. Finally, launch the dashboard and provide ongoing support to users as they learn to use it. For successful dashboards, schedule regular data updates and verify that information is accurate. Continuously monitor dashboard performance by checking load times and data quality, and set up alerts to notify you of problems. Gather feedback from users regularly to understand what works and what needs improvement, then iterate based on their needs. Communicate any updates to users so they understand changes. Following these practices ensures your dashboard remains useful, reliable, and continues to deliver value to your organization.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.